polar bear. This is the planet's largest terrestrial predator, perfectly adapted to life in Arctic conditions. It descended from brown bear ancestors about 500,000 years ago, gradually adapting to hunt seals among drifting ice. Its main distinction is its transparent hollow fur and black skin underneath, which allows it to absorb and retain solar heat as efficiently as possible. This species is incredibly popular worldwide as the primary symbol of the fragility of polar ecosystems and the fight against global warming. Brown bear. This is the most widespread and recognizable member of the family, inhabiting the forests of Eurasia and North America. It has a long history of coexistence with humans, becoming a central character in the mythology and folklore of most northern peoples. It differs from other bears by its characteristic muscular shoulder hump, which gives it immense strength for digging soil and delivering powerful strikes. Its importance lies in its role as a keystone species that regulates other animal populations and promotes forest growth by dispersing plant seeds. American black bear. This bear is the most common and numerous representative of its family in North America. It evolved as a separate branch in isolation on the American continent over several million years. It differs from the brown bear by the absence of a shoulder hump and sharper claws, which make it an unsurpassed tree climber. The black bear is popular due to its adaptability to living near humans and its frequent appearance in national parks, where it has become a subject of observation for millions of tourists. Asiatic black bear. This medium-sized beast inhabits the mountain forests and jungles of Asia, leading a primarily nocturnal lifestyle. Historically, it is closely linked to tropical regions, retaining many features of ancient bear ancestors. Its main distinguishing feature is the bright white crescent-shaped patch on its chest, which is why it is often called the moon bear. It is important to Eastern culture and mountain forest ecology, and its ability to build unique nests out of branches in trees sets it apart from all its relatives. Sun bear. This is the smallest member of the bear family, inhabiting the dense tropical forests of Southeast Asia. This species emerged in conditions of eternal summer, which spared it from the need to accumulate fat and enter winter hibernation. It is distinguished by an unusually long tongue, reaching 25 centimeters, and very short, smooth fur. This bear is popular for its exotic appearance and unusual behavior, for which locals nicknamed it the dog bear. Sloth bear. This specialized predator from India and Sri Lanka has almost completely switched to a diet of social insects. Its evolution followed the path of adaptation to destroying termite mounds, which significantly changed the structure of its snout. It is distinguished by mobile, naked lips and the absence of two front teeth, allowing it to suck in insects with a loud noise, acting like a powerful vacuum cleaner. The sloth bear became world famous thanks to the character Baloo, although in reality it is considered one of the most unpredictable and dangerous animals in the region. Spectacled bear. This is the only bear species living in South America, primarily in the Andean highlands. It is the last living relative of the giant short-faced bears that dominated the Americas during the Ice Age. It is easily recognized by the light patches around its eyes, which form a pattern unique to each individual, resembling spectacles. This species is crucial for preserving the biodiversity of tropical forests and is a national symbol of nature conservation in many Latin American countries. Giant panda. This is a unique member of the family from central China, which over the course of evolution almost completely gave up meat in favor of bamboo. It split from the main line of bears more than 20 million years ago, retaining many archaic structural features. The panda's distinction lies in the presence of a special protrusion on its paw that acts as a sixth finger and its contrasting black and white coloring. It is the most popular bear in the world, serving as a global symbol for the protection of endangered species and a diplomatic asset of China. Grizzly bear. This is a North American subspecies of brown bear, known for its impressive size and fierce temperament. Its history is inextricably linked to the development of the Wild West and legends of survival by pioneers in the rugged wilderness. It differs from its European relatives by longer claws and light-tipped fur, which gives it a grizzled or frost-dusted appearance. The grizzly is popular in mass culture as a living embodiment of nature's wild power and is the primary subject of many documentaries. Kodiak bear. This is the largest subspecies of brown bears, living exclusively on the islands of the namesake archipelago off the coast of Alaska. It became geographically isolated about 12,000 years ago, allowing it to grow to giant sizes due to the absence of enemies and an abundance of salmon. It is distinguished by a massive skull and a weight that in some individuals can exceed 750 kilograms. Its popularity is due to its record-breaking dimensions, making the Kodiak one of the most coveted subjects for observation among researchers. Short-faced bear. This extinct giant was the largest and most dangerous terrestrial predator in North America during the Ice Age. It dominated the continent for hundreds of thousands of years until it disappeared along with other megafauna at the end of the Pleistocene. Its main feature was unusually long limbs, which allowed it to run at the speed of a modern horse. This bear is popular in paleontology as an example of the extreme evolution of ursids toward active predation. Cave bear. This was a massive prehistoric beast that inhabited Europe and Asia during the Ice Age. Its history began more than 100,000 years ago, using deep caves both for hibernation and as permanent dwellings, where thousands of its bones are found today. Unlike most of its modern relatives, it was almost entirely herbivorous, despite its intimidating size and massive teeth. It is important to science as the first animal species to become an object of cult worship and cave art for early humans.